Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in the previous video I told you how you can use a toaster message and how you can use a translation. The combination of both, how you can use and how you can use a translation in the HTML and how you can use in the TypeScript file. So if you have not gone through those video, please go ahead and watch, so then you will understand how these things is working. And today I'm going to tell you how you can create a custom alert box, and that alert box will be like globally, so that you can use in your entire application. So as of now you can see this alert box, this is the custom by default one. So this alert box, if you want make as a customization with the your requirement as per your look and feel, so that I am going to tell you today. So let's start. First what we'll do, we'll create one component here, ng generate. So let's go and create one folder here first. So I will make one separate folder for this. I will put as a alert box, and then after this I will go inside this location. I'll create a one component over here, that will be the alert box only. Okay, just wait a moment, so it will generate a component. Let me skip the import for now. I have to import manually. So you can see here inside this dialog box the component got created, right? Okay, so now we will go one by one. So first what we will do, we will create alert box component detail over here, what and all things we are going to take care of it, and then we will bind it in the HTML. Okay, let's start. So I will add a constructor over here. Inside this constructor I'll make as a one public. If you want make as a private, your wish. So that will be as a dialog ref to close the dialog, and that I am going to use the mat dialog ref, and then I will take the dialog box name over here. So let's import it. Spelling is missed. So this is looks fine. So now we will do as a inject. One second. Inject spelling is correct, right? Okay, let's see. I will, okay, I have not imported, that's the reason. Let me import it, and then I will take the reference of mat dialog data, this is what I'm looking for, and then this need to be import. I think it's already imported, and then public data I will take. I will try to store the value over here. So what does mean, so whatever the value we will get in the dialog box, we will take in the data, and that data we are going to assign over here. So just assume that whatever the data we have, so that we are going to store in the some variable. So this dot dialog data I will store here. Let me declare this. Similarly we need a this dot title. I will expand one by one, and then that will come from the data dot title. Okay, and the next one is this dot message, that I will take from the data dot message. Okay, let me declare all, this one as well. So what I am trying to do here is, say for example, we will open a one pop-up. so this pop-up will have a in the module. Okay, so once that pop-up is got open, so we will get the data in the data variable, so that I am going to assign accordingly. So this one we are going to take a title and we are try to store in the title, and similarly this title I am going to bind in the HTML title and message. So let's start. I will make as a one div. Inside this div I will add one row class. Okay, in that I will check condition. If title is there, then you show, else don't show. Okay, because sometimes if you don't need, so you can skip it. So let's come here. I will try to open it. Once you close, you can see this is local host, something you are able to see, right? And similarly this is your message, this is your prompt, whether you are going to close or what you need. If you will click outside, it is not going to close, right, until and unless you are clicking over here. So my suggestion here is, what I am trying to achieve over here is, this is the message, so this is the title. So similarly I have added two variable, that is one is the message, one is the title, correct? So let's come. So now we will check if the title is available, so you show, else don't show. So that is the different part, so that div we can avoid it. Okay, I will add one more div. Inside this div I will add some class. In that class it will have a some column, then margin we will put as a 12. Okay, and then we will show the header, right, whatever the title we want. So I will put as a has to look as a bold somehow, so that I am going to bind it over here. So what we are going to bind, so that will be the title. Okay, so how we can bind this, we have to use the interpolation over here. Okay, I'm not using any class, just to make as a simple one look and feel. If you want any color, any things, you can do it as per your wish. Okay, just I am trying to achieve our alert box, that will be the globally that you can utilize entire your application. Okay, so next come to the different div. This div is got closed, this is the part of info. Now it will come for the message part. So I will add one div here. Inside this div I will add a content, so that will the mat dialog content. Okay, so here I will add one more div. Inside this div I will add some look and feel, so that will be the class of row, and margin I'll put as a 2, padding to padding top is 2, and then I will try to achieve loop condition here, ng4, sorry, ng4 f supposed to be as a capital, let message of or messages of message. Okay, so whatever the message we will get, we will try to find out, and then we are going to bind that message over here. So that I will put inside one div. So let's add some margin, so it will come in the proper sequence, column sm12. So what we are going to show here is, we are going to show as a message. So whatever it will come, so I will try to bind it over here. So we will use the interpolation over here. So now you can see your message will be visible inside this div. So now the next part is, here we will have a OK button, right? See, we having a, this is the separate div, this is the separate div, and this is the separate. So I'll add one more div here, so that will be mat dialog actions, dialog actions, and I will put some align, make as the end, so that I will put in the end only, and I will add one button, so that button will be this one. So I will tell as a OK for this button, and then I will make as a some angular button, so that will be the matte try is finish. Okay, so now if it is done, so we will okay, so here we have to add a click function, so that will be on click. Okay, something like this. I will copy this, I will try to open this again, and I have to write the logic to close that one, right? So once it is got hit over here, so what I will tell, I will tell to this dot dialog data, this dialog data, okay, that is dialog ref, and then we will tell as a close, so that dialog will get closed. And how it will get closed once it is become as a true. So this is done. So now we will create one module over here. So this is how it will work. Now the part is coming for the module. Okay, so I will add one module here. I will generate ng generate a module alert, sorry, alert box. Let me cancel this. Here it will not be much more, only just we will open the dialog and we will try to make some, where it is gone, this is angular, okay, here only. So let's start. So what I will try to do here is I will add constructor. Where is that constructor? Okay, here I will add the constructor, and then let be there, and then we will open, we will call one function over here, so that will be the global. So that will be open alert box, something open alert like that, and I will try to call our component here. So I will tell one by one. So I will make as a one constant, and that constant will have a dialog ref, dialog reference, dialog ref, and then we are going to open this dot. Okay, I have not imported over here. So what we have to do here is I will make as a one public, that will be the dialog, that will come from the mat dialog, mat dialog, correct. So with the help of this we are going to open our alert box component. Let me go here. If you are not able to find out, just copy this, paste it down here, then you import. Why it is not coming? Okay, I have skipped that one, right? So what I will do, I will come here, I'll paste the same, and then I will import this. Once you import, you go back, the error will go off, don't worry. So now you try to look on this, why this is not coming still. Okay, I have not written that open syntax, how it will, then if I'll put, it may come, yes. Now so what my question here is, here if you'll see here we having a title, message, and okay, right? So leave that okay button. So we are expecting these two, right? Title and message. So this one I will tell you, but as of now I will add those logic here to understand. So what we will, for example, from other component, once we try to open this alert box, what and all data we are going to send. So that will be the input. Okay, just I will take as a one input, and then width is any, because we are going to set based on our requirement sometimes, and I will add the observable for this one, observable, observable, as a any. Let's import this from RJX. What is that? Just wait a moment. Observable, I have imported void is saying the function declare as a either void or not must be written a values. Okay, let me add the conditions here. Okay, it is expecting something, so I will add width. Width will be as a width only, and then autofocus I will disable it. If you want, you can enable it as per your requirement. Data will be as a input, and then disable closes. If you want, you can enable. So as of now I will make as a true. Okay, and then this one we need to return it, else it will ask for the void. Okay, what we will do, we will return here, return dialog ref dot after close. So now that error should go. Yes, it is gone, right? So this is what we will do now. We will come to our anything like here I have declared this one, this to open that alert box, right? Similarly, what we will try to open here is, instead of this, just we write as a alert, so that alert is coming, right? So now what I will do, I will import this alert. Okay, just copy this module, come to this place, import in the constructor, that make as a public. So I'll put as a dialog, something like this, and I will try to import this. So it's got imported now. Okay, dialog. Okay, that's the reason I supposed to use is underscore. So now what I will do, this dot underscore dialog dot, I will try to open our alert box. In this alert box we have to pass what and all we are going to send here. Okay, so first what we will do, first we will declare some input here. So that input will have a this much values. Okay, so what and all, so that will have a title. Okay, the title will have, as of now I will put as a okay, without translation first I will show you. So I will put as a info in the string, and then the next what we are going to send, message, right? Message, so message will be hello something. Okay, once it is got open, so then we will call to this one and we will tell that you open this whatever input you are getting. So now I am passing this input, correct? It is expecting one more, so that will be the width. So that width I am passing as a 480 pixel. Okay, let me keep inside single quote or whatever you want. Yeah, so now if I'll go to UI, so let's check whether it is working as expected. Let's see, some error is there. Let me check. I think module. Okay, so let's come over here, go to the module and try to import that alert box module. Why this alert box module? So we have to put as a comma over here. So now you check once again. So now it is working, right? So now once I click on cancel, this alert is coming. So this is our this normal alert box. The two alert box is there, right? So let's check what I will do. We'll remove this alert box now. We'll check one by one what and all error is coming here now. Let me close this. Okay, I need to check that console as well. So here you can see that OK button is coming, info is coming, right? Info is our uh, title I set, right? This is the info, and message is not getting printed over here, correct? Message is not printing. What and all input? If I'll open this alert box, input, it may have anything. So let's check one time console error. Let me check one more way. So let me use the translations how it works. This dot translate dot get translation, and then we having the spanner, I think. Let me check if it is available in the JSON. Let me check like this. Come back again. Since we have a array, right? So I missed that. Maybe let me check once. Let me close it first. So now you can see, right? Same thing. It is getting printed over here. So if I'll go here, I have not done anything. This is spanner, just I add as a translation just to show you. For example, if I'll change to Hindi, if I open this alert box, cancel on this, now you can see it is got changed to Hindi. So my concern was if you'll add the translation in the alert box, that's also gonna be translate. Similarly, if you want to translate this one, so what you have to do here is just you add this dot translations and then add like this. Okay, sorry, translations dot get, then you add, just close this one. Let me close this, right? So we'll see hello is getting printed or not. Let me check hello is available in the JSON. Okay, no. So what I will do, I will just add this one. Okay, just go back and set this message. So open this alert box, close it. Now you can see your password is visible over here, correct? So now what you do, if you'll change to other translations, other language, for example to Hindi, and now you can see this is also getting, see, I think this translation is not available in Hindi. So I'll go back and I'll check. Yes, it is not available. So we need to add one comma here. So now once we will refresh the JSON file, open it again and go and check. Now it is in English, is fine. Just change to Hindi, open it again, close this again. Now you can see this is in English, Hindi as well. So this is what I am trying to tell here. So now for example, if you want to make some customization on the alert box, you go here and try to add something like color as a primary. Okay, just go back and refresh the page. Which one I have changed? I think I have changed here. I have to change in the alert box, right? Now you open this, close it again. Now your OK button is coming like this, correct? Similarly, if you want to try to adjust this complete dialog box, now you can see this scroll bar is coming, right? So let's try to adjust this one. Just try to add 15, how it looks like, and then one more. Header is fine. Now we'll go to this container, right? Padding something I will add 30 pixel, 300 pixels. So that padding, right, I will add. Okay, see how it is getting aligned. That will be 30 pixel. So this is going to align like this. So now see, you can see your OK button is here. Similarly, if you want to change the complete div, this is the row. Here you want to change, make as a padding of something like 30 pixel. So now you can see the right left everything is got changed. Accordingly you can make as alignment, padding right or left 30 pixel like this. And if you don't want like this scroll bar, just you add one more thing here. We having this 480 something we have set, right? Just open this, try to increase this one as a 500 pixel. Okay, so this is got increased, right? So accordingly everything you can customize. Okay, if you want how I can make as a customization on this alert box, I can help you out on this. If you need, you just put a comment over there, so I will definitely make and that one as well. So if we'll go here in my portfolio, I made that alert box how it looks like, just see once. It should not take that much time. I think this one having a problem. Okay, here you can see we have a already I have logged in. So if you'll go here, check it down, this alert box you can see here, right? This is what I made it as a customization. If you'll go, this is the confirm dialog box. Here I have a title, this is the alignment, this is the message which I am getting. So here once they will do as a yes or no, so according to that we are taking as action. So this confirm alert box I am going to tell in the next video, and I will try to use the CSS as well for this. Okay, don't worry. And this one I try to utilize to reduce the time of it. Okay, in the next video I will tell how you can make similar exact look and feel. Okay, okay, that's it from the for the day. Thank you so much.